and down and up and down and up. Now after this one, we will just do the side. Here we go. Heel, side, heel, side, heel, side, heel, side, heel, side, heel, and side, heel, and side, heel, and side. Alright? Actually, this step is very familiar with the Indian people.
Right.
Using the circle, is it? Circular formation.
Right.
Correct. Alright, so can we recall? Alright, the first step is this one. Okay, followed by this.
对，大家记住我们的舞步，再来重复一
And
下
so remember, followed by this one, the
接
rope.
下来是我们的拉，
Correct. Followed by the rope. After this one, the Bharatanatyam, deer and lotus, lotus and deer, lotus and deer. Now after this one here,
对，我们的手打
Okay.
开，
with your hips. With your hips. Now after this one, the sexy Baliye, that's our musical cue to do
然
this
后
one.
性感的动作，记住
And
拍手，
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Side to side and side and side and side and side and a side and a side and a side and a side. Okay. That's actually the first bar of the song. We have the part 2 of that. But let's try first the very first bar. Here we go.
是的，那我们这第一步，接下来我们跟着音乐一起动起来，来，准备。
Correct. DJ, let's hit the music.